Hey everyone, welcome, and it's Puneet here from Gentech, and today's video is on Govee RGB LED strip lights which have Wi-Fi connectivity and can be controlled by Govee app or via smart home assistants like Alexa or Google.
Okay.
It comes with the remote control, the brightness can be adjusted too with timers and DIY scenes. So this is Govee H6141 LED lights, which is 5 meter or 16.4 feet long. So let's unbox it. It has user manual and instruction on how to install it and which surfaces are not good for installing. It comes with the LED lights itself with control panel. Here is the power port and an infrared receiver for the remote. There is a power adapter as well with an alcohol preparation pad with self-adhesive clips to support the LED strip, which can also be strengthened with provided screws if needed. Let's take out the strip light from the reel. Strip itself comes with a self-adhesive pad at the back. There is no clear silicone protection on the LEDs though, and you can cut the strip according to your desired length or if you want to add more. However, it doesn't come with the connection adapter, so not sure how to add the extra length. The Govee brand is displayed all over the stripe too. So let's turn on the LED lights. There are 3 buttons: turn on and off button, color changing button, and a scene changing button. The remote provided can also be used to turn on or off the lights. You can change the colors and also the modes. There is an option to change the brightness of the light and also the colors. There's also presets of red, green and blue buttons. One of the main positive of this light is that it has an app connection. So let's install the app, the Govee Home app, and see what controllability it provides. The app is available for both Google Android and Apple App Store. You need to create your account to start using the app. Once account created, select the type of lights you want to connect. Then LED lights will show up. Just click on it and you're good to go. You can also change the light's name and can also connect the app to the Wi-Fi, so you can control it over the internet and not only the Bluetooth. The app provides a whole lot of options to customize the experience depending on your taste. The first option is the light effect center. So there are pre-configured lighting for different occasions that you can choose from, and they're applied straight away. There are also few static color options that can be set. There is also a DIY option. Here people have set their own configuration. You can also see a short clip as a preview of the setting, and you can apply them if you want to. You can set the different timers such as for sleeping or wake up. There's also a brightness option for the light too. So the next option is DIY for yourself. You can give it a name. You can choose the effect, for example fade, jumping, twinkle, or a combo of all. Speed can also be adjusted of the effect. The specific color can be chosen too. You can also add several colors in a sequence for the effect to work. There's a music mode as well. You can adjust the sensitivity of the sound picked up by the mic. The controller has a mic which is used to control the sound effect. There's a color mode where you can choose presets of the colors or change it according to your own taste, or you can also use the color wheel. There's a scene option as well, for example sunrise, sunset, dusk, forest. Emotion scenes like happy, excited, energetic, relax, etc. So I think there are so many options there to customize the settings the way you like. So now let's connect it with this app. Search for Govee Home in skills, enable the skill, log in with your account. Once connected, it will ask to discover the devices. It could take some time here though. Once connected successfully, you can use the commands to control the lights. Change YouTube light color to red.
Okay.
Change YouTube light color to blue. Change YouTube light color to green.
Okay.
Turn off YouTube light.
Okay.
Turn on YouTube light.
Okay.
Okay, so now let's connect it with Google Home Assistant. Here, just click on the top left on the add button, then set up a device. The ones work with Google. Search for Govee Home. Same process as Alexa. Log in with your Govee account. Once connected, you can start using the Google to control the Govee lights. Google. change YouTube light to green.
Sure. Changing the YouTube light to green.
Google, change YouTube light to red.
Okay. Changing the YouTube light to red.
Change YouTube light to orange.
Alright. Changing the YouTube light to orange.
Google, turn off YouTube lights.
Alright. Turning off the YouTube light.
Google, turn on YouTube light.
Okay. Turning the YouTube light on.
Overall, I personally think it's a good smart LED lights with so many configuration options, especially for what it costs. However, all the features are not perfect. The music sync option doesn't really work 100%, I think. Also, the max brightness of the lights isn't really bright enough. It's good in a dark room, but if you have some lights on, then you can barely see their lights. Let me know guys what you think of those smart Govee lights in the comment section below. And guys, thanks for watching. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe for more. As I can see, almost 97% of the viewers on my channel are non-subscriber. So hope to see you again, and thank you very much.